Add Admin on Facebook page in mobile. Once the app is open, you'll need to switch from your personal profile to the specific page where you want to assign a new administrator. This is done by tapping on your profile icon located in the top right corner twice until you see the option to select your page. After selecting your page, proceed by tapping the gear icon, also situated in the top right corner, which will lead you to the page settings. Within these settings, scroll down to find the Page Access section. This area is dedicated to modifying who can manage your page. By clicking on it, you move to the stage where you can add new administrators. Next, a screen will prompt you to confirm your selection by tapping Next. Following this, you'll be asked to search for the individual you wish to make an administrator. Type in their name, and once their profile appears, tap on it to select them. At this point, you are given the opportunity to specify the exact access level you'd like this new administrator to have. Make your choices and then click Give Access to complete the addition.